Okay, I want to do two graphing problems. It's not the assignment, but I want to remind you parallel and perpendicular. So make a table, and on one side just copy the first equation, y equals negative 5x plus 2. Copy the other equation on the other side. I'm going to make this short and sweet. Okay, so y is by itself, so you can label m and b. Okay, so slope negative 5, put a 1 under it, and then the y-ant is plus 2. So on the y-axis, you go to positive 2, 1, 2. Then from that point, you go down 5, forward 1. Okay, then the next one, MB, slope, negative 5 over 1, y-ant, minus 3, okay. So down 1, 2, 3, then down 5, forward 1. Can't do it again, that's fine. Okay, take your straight edge and graph that. And those lines are parallel, okay, parallel lines. Parallel. The reason they're parallel is because the slopes were the same, okay. Now, the next one, the slopes aren't the same, so they are going to cross. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6, y equals 2x minus 3. So MB, MB. Slope negative 1/2 plus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from there I go down 1, forward 2. Okay, then the other equation, we have slope is 2, put a 1 under it, and the y-ant is minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, and from there I go up 2, forward 1. Now they are going to cross, but they're going to form a certain type of angle when they cross. If I could draw a decent line, I could show you. Okay. They form a 90-degree angle. See, that looks like a square angle, so 90. And those are called perpendicular. The reason why they're perpendicular is because compare the slopes. They are flipped and they're opposites, negative, positive. Okay. Now, I'm only going to go over 4 in this video because I think you guys would be okay with it. Okay. You need to write equations, the same thing you've been doing the past couple days. But sometimes it's parallel, sometimes it's perpendicular. So to find M now, you circle the word parallel and put same M. So what's the M to that? It's 3. The B is 2, but I don't really care, okay? So same M, so I need the same M that's there, okay? And B, y equals M times x plus B. So M is 3. So 3 is y, 2 is x. B plus 3 times 2 is 6, okay? Minus 6, negative 3 equals B. Okay, and she's done. Let's do another parallel, then I'm going to do 2 perpendicular, and that's going to be the end of the video. Okay. The assignment's the very back page. There's two on front, 2 on back. Okay, M, there's that word parallel. So parallel is the same M, okay? So MB, so negative 3 over 2. And the B, y equals M times x plus B. So m negative 3 over 2. Then 3 is y, and then negative 6 is x. 9. Okay, b plus 9. Don't put 9 plus b. See, when I see it's plus 9, I'd easily know I subtract. Negative 6 equals b. Okay. Alright, we're going to do 2 on the back, but now they say perpendicular. That's different. Okay. That's a totally different, but well, the problem's pretty much the same. Okay. Perpendicular is not the same m. It's flip m and opposite. Okay. Meaning positive to negative, negative to positive. So there's my m and b. Don't care about the b. Now you don't use the same m. You flip it to 2 over 1. And if this is positive, your m is negative. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret. When you end up with a 1 on the bottom, it has to be the number 1 and it has to be on bottom, you can just put negative 2 up there. Okay? Then I won't have to worry about the fraction stuff up here. But it has to be a 1 and it has to be on bottom. So m is negative 2. That's where my y and x come from. 3, negative 2. So b plus. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Minus 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 equals b. Okay, I'm going to do another perpendicular. Perpendicular to y equals 5x plus 4 through negative 5, 6. Perpendicular is not the same m, it's flip m and switch it to opposite. Okay, so mb. Well, to flip it, it has to be a fraction in the first place, so you put a 1. Now you flip it to 1/5, and that's positive, so mine is negative. If this is negative, mine is positive. Okay, now y equals m dot x plus b. So negative 1/5. Okay. So 6 is y, negative 5, b plus. I got 1. Okay. So minus 1, 5 equals b. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to cross out the next two. Okay. Parallel, if the m's are the same. Perpendicular, you flip m and make it opposite. Okay.